Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, soft morning light coming through wide windows, and the smell of fresh coffee filling the air. You open the door and step outside, and in front of you is a mountain view, a quiet lake, or an empty desert road stretching into the distance. No hotel bookings to worry about, no crowded lobbies, no strict schedules. Just freedom, comfort, and the open road. Today, we're stepping inside a travel van that turns every journey into a luxury experience. A van designed not just to take you from one place to another, but to make the road itself feel like home. This is the 1980 Airstream Atlas 24MS, a luxury travel van that blends iconic Airstream design with modern comfort, smart space usage, and true road trip freedom. If you've ever dreamed about traveling without giving up comfort, privacy, or style, this one might surprise you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes the Airstream Atlas 24MS such a special way to travel. At first glance, the Airstream Atlas 24MS looks confident, clean, and refined. This is not a bulky motorhome that feels intimidating to drive. It's a sleek travel van with smooth body lines and a premium presence that looks just as good on highways as it does parked beside nature. Large side windows bring in natural light and make the van feel connected to the world outside. The overall design is elegant without being flashy, modern without feeling cold. It's the kind of vehicle that quietly turns heads wherever it goes. Behind the wheel, the Atlas feels calm and composed. Driving it feels more like piloting a luxury vehicle than a traditional motorhome. Steering is smooth, visibility is excellent, and long drives feel relaxed instead of tiring. Whether you're cruising on open highways or navigating small towns and scenic roads, the van feels stable and easy to handle. This is important, because a true travel van should make you enjoy the drive as much as the destination, and that's exactly what the Atlas delivers. Now step inside, and the feeling changes instantly. The interior welcomes you with warmth and comfort. It doesn't feel like you've entered a van, it feels like you've stepped into a private luxury lounge on wheels. Soft materials, clean surfaces, and thoughtful lighting create a calm atmosphere. Everything feels intentional. Nothing feels wasted. This is a space designed for travelers who want to slow down, stay longer, and live comfortably wherever they park. The main living area feels open and inviting. Seating is comfortable and perfectly positioned for relaxing after a long day on the road. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or simply sitting back and enjoying the view through the large windows, this space adapts to your lifestyle. Natural light fills the interior during the day, making the van feel bigger and more connected to nature. At night, soft lighting transforms the space into a cozy retreat. It's easy to imagine spending long evenings here, listening to the rain, or watching the stars outside. The kitchen area continues the same theme of smart, practical luxury. This is not a cramped cooking corner. It's a well-designed space that actually encourages you to cook. There's enough counter space to prepare meals comfortably, and modern appliances make everyday cooking simple and enjoyable. Storage is cleverly integrated, keeping everything organized and easy to reach without cluttering the space. Whether it's a quick breakfast before hitting the road or a warm dinner after a long drive, the kitchen feels natural and stress-free. One of the most important features of any travel van is the bathroom, and the Atlas 24MS handles this perfectly. The bathroom is private, clean, and thoughtfully laid out. You don't feel squeezed or uncomfortable. Everything is where you expect it to be. Having your own bathroom gives you true independence. You can stop anywhere, stay longer, and travel without relying on public facilities. It's a small space, but it makes a huge difference in everyday comfort. The sleeping area is where the Atlas truly feels like home. After a full day of driving, exploring, and experiencing new places, this is where you recharge. The bed is comfortable and supportive, designed for real rest, not just short naps. Soft lighting and a quiet atmosphere create a peaceful environment, while nearby storage keeps personal items neatly organized. This is your private retreat at the end of every journey. Storage throughout the van is smart and efficient. Cabinets, drawers, and compartments are placed exactly where they're needed. There's room for clothes, gear, food, and travel essentials without making the interior feel crowded. You don't have to constantly move things around or sacrifice comfort for space. Everything has its place, which makes long-term travel easier and more enjoyable. The Atlas 24MS is built for modern travelers, with features that make life on the road simple and comfortable. Climate control keeps the interior pleasant in different weather conditions, while modern systems make lighting, comfort, and entertainment easy to manage. Everything feels intuitive and user-friendly. This van understands how people actually live and travel today. What truly makes the Airstream Atlas 24 MS special is balance. It's not trying to be the biggest motorhome on the road, and it's not trying to be the smallest camper either. Instead, it offers the perfect middle ground. Luxury without excess, comfort without complication, and freedom without compromise. Compared to many other travel vans, the Atlas feels more refined, more thoughtful, and more livable. It's designed for people who care about experience more than size. Now let me ask you something. If you could take this Airstream anywhere in the world, where would you go first? Would it be the mountains, the beach, deep forests, or wide open deserts? Let me know your dream destination in the comments. The 1980 Airstream Atlas 24 MS isn't just a travel van. It's a lifestyle choice. It's for people who want to wake up in new places, who value comfort but crave freedom, and who believe the journey is just as important as the destination. This van turns ordinary trips into unforgettable experiences, and once you experience life on the road like this, it's hard to imagine traveling any other way. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Airstream Atlas 24 MS, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more luxury motorhome and travel van reviews, and comment below with your favorite feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.